Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to break down this huge world of mindfulness into a really practical toolkit, skills you can actually use every single day. The idea for this channel is new tools, new strategies every week. So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed so you can build your toolkit right alongside us and support a small creator. Okay, first things first. Let's get really clear on what mindfulness actually is. And maybe even more important, what it is not. We all have this image of someone sitting on the top of a mountain, perfectly still, trying to have zero thoughts. But here's the thing, that's just not going to happen. So, what if mindfulness is something totally different, something way more useful? Now, mindfulness isn't some mystical single thing. It's better to think of it as a collection of really practical skills. Seriously, like a set of tools you can use to navigate stress, distraction, and just, well, the beautiful mess of modern life. So, how do we even start building this toolkit? Well, every good set of tools needs a foundation. And in mindfulness, that foundation is all about one thing: finding an anchor to the present moment. An anchor that's your home base. You know how your thoughts can sometimes feel like a wild ocean? Well, the anchor is that steady shore you can always come back to. It's your point of stability when things feel chaotic. And here's an example of a super simple anchor in action. This one is called the breath reset button. All you do is make sure that your exhale is longer than your inhale. That long, slow exhale literally sends a signal to your nervous system that says, hey, it's safe to calm down. It's like an instant stress break. You can take it anywhere and anytime. And hey, the breath is just one option. Your toolkit is packed with others. You can use the physical feeling of your belly rising and falling, or the solid sensation of your feet on the floor. You could even just tune in to the sounds around you. Honestly, anything that brings your attention right back here to this moment works. Okay, so we've got our anchors. Now let's get into the really tricky stuff. That constant chatter in our heads. You know, the monkey mind and that roller coaster of emotions we all ride. This right here, this is the whole point. Mindfulness creates this tiny, powerful pause between something happening and how you react to it. And in that little gap, that's where you find your freedom. It's the freedom to choose a thoughtful response instead of just getting swept away by an automatic reaction. And here's the toolkit in action. See, it's not a one size fits all thing. You've got specific tools for specific challenges. If your thoughts are running wild, you can try the cloud method. If that nasty inner critic gets loud, you can switch into observer mode. The key is just matching the right tool to whatever's happening inside, whether it's cooling down anger or just grounding yourself when you feel totally overwhelmed. Now, the best part, this whole toolkit is not just to be used on a meditation cushion. It's designed to be portable. It's for your real life. So let's look at how you can weave all these skills into even your busiest days. These little micro resets are absolute game changers. They aren't about adding one more thing to your to do list. Instead, you're sprinkling these tiny moments of awareness throughout your day. It keeps you from getting burnt out and helps you stay grounded, all without missing a beat. Mindfulness isn't just for when you're sitting on a cushion, it's a way of being you can bring into every single moment. These small mindful moments are what build momentum. This way, we can totally transform our day, turning something as simple as walking through a door into a chance to practice and find a little bit of peace. So, at the end of the day, mindfulness is accessible, it's practical, and it's really powerful. It's not about becoming some totally different person. It's about giving yourself the tools to navigate your own life with more awareness and, yeah, more peace. Here's the thing, we're building this toolkit together, one meditation video at a time. So subscribe, join the community. Let me know if you're looking to overcome something in particular, and I'll try my best to address that in an upcoming video. Let's keep exploring these tools side by side. Now, the only question left is, which tool are you going to try first?